as well as the Comunidade. I think they are somewhere around. So after that, Honorable Chief Minister has requested for land acquisition to commence. So yesterday we had a meeting with Director Art and Culture and Honorable Minister. So he asked them to come again to see what kind of transactional arrangement can be made between the Comunidade and the government.
Joshua,
So I will be able to give more clarity after this.
पण Joshua, this is the longest last assembly session. पण अजूनही तिथे the issue are still waiting.
See, the consent terms is the most important thing. No, Comunidade is a private entity. They have put some demands to the government. The government cannot fulfill all those demands, so they are negotiating. So the sooner the negotiations are complete, the faster we can commence with the project.
But at least that project will see the foundation light of the
But
foundation.
I cannot give you that guarantee till the Comunidade and the government agrees on the terms that they are discussing. We are trying our best to make sure that the negotiations take place. Yesterday, Chairman of GSIDC, also Mr. Michael Lobo, said that we can, under GSIDC, take the project on priority. But the land availability is, we found the land, we've located the land. The Comunidade has given the willingness to give that parcel of land to the government. But the government has to agree on what terms they want to acquire it, whether they have to acquire the entire area, whether they want to acquire on a transactional basis, whether they will outright purchase it, whether they will take it on lease. That they need to figure out.
Is somebody really delaying this issue?
No,
Because for such a long time, it's
see, there is no. I cannot say that it is a sensitive issue. Because in the Comunidade there is a general body. They have given specific terms to which the Comunidade has put forth those terms to the government. So they have to decide. No, the government has to have a budget. If we go on the market rate, some 50 crores is the cost of acquisition of land. So government has to have that provision with them to acquire for 50 crores.
Is there any alternate land?
See, other alternate land that is there that we had identified before were paddy fields. Now then, government has to come out with that policy to change that paddy field to, and there are some शेतकरी जे असतात, they are not interested in giving. Like कालचे discussion आले, everybody is talking about बारीक माझे एक असा मागीर दोन सोडून परत माझे असा. So we cannot take land that मदी आनी कोणाचो फुडको जो कोण NOC दिवंक शकना जाल्यार परत आमी शिरकून वयता. So this is the current situation. Mapusa is a very compact city. We are not having lot of land like other places. Or then we have to move to neighboring constituencies like TV, Aldana, Ankave, Sholim constituency, or whichever is wherever we can find land on the border. The location of what we had proposed is a very good location considering it is touching the highway. It is on the border of Mapusa and TV constituency on Kolwale side, and it is a central point where access is very good. लोकांक त्रास जावचे ना, म्हापशेकार जे रेजिडेंट्स आसा कोणाकूच नुकसान जावचें ना. सो आय थिंक लुकींग एट द लॉंग टर्म 50 वर्सां जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार म्हाका दिसता Comunidade ऑफ कुचेली जो लँड आसा, आय थिंक इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आयडियल लोकेशन टू हॅव दिस टायप ऑफ अ फॅसिलिटी कन्सिडरिंग all the people of Bardes will be coming to it is not only for म्हापशेकार, it is पूर्ण बार्देसचे जितले लोक आसा 7 मतदारसंघ आसा सगळे बार्देसचे लोक येतले, तशे बिचोलचे लोक येतले, पेडणेचे लोक येतले. सो पीपल आर गोइंग टू कम फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर. सो वी हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट म्हाका जाय म्हणून हांगा केलो म्हाका तेमान जर करपाक गेल्यार खंय तरी लोकांक त्रास जातले, लोकांक त्रास करपाक. So we will see what outcome comes of today's discussion. I am expecting a very positive.
What about your bus stand?
Bus stand is they are waiting to award the tender. The tender is open, bidder has been selected. Yeah, so it's around 200
So when
plus
will we
crores.
start expecting?
If CM gives a final go ahead, I think next month we can start.
You are the deputy speaker. How do you see the Mirabad protest?
See, like I said yesterday, somebody asked me, such kind of protest. I am 37 years old. I've been coming to this assembly since I was 9 or 10 years old. I have never seen something like this. Either these people don't understand protocol, they don't know to respect sentiments, or they don't care about anything. I think the law should be taken very seriously. A lot of people, I've been reading the comments also. It allows people to think that you can come here and do anything. This is a very sacred place. You have to give respect. I remember as a child, it was so strict you couldn't put your leg up. You had to wear certain dress. There was no mobiles allowed. That time mobiles were not popular, but you couldn't bring mobiles. When I was in college, we had to leave everything out and come and sit over. And to come and stand like that and protest, I think it is not acceptable. I think Speaker has taken a very good decision with regards to this, and we are going to be very strict in terms of following the decorum and following the rules set by the rules of conducting business of Goa Legislative Assembly. If we go by that, I think everybody, it is important that all legislators have to first read that book. Nobody reads the book. Only when they are in trouble, that time they read the book.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.